Okay, we got the 2002 Fusion Mothra, Rainbow Mothra from Bandai. Picked this up for about 12 bucks off of eBay, I think. It is the Fusion series. I also have the Fusion series Gigan, which I picked up from Toys R Us for about 12 bucks. They're both made out of a soft, clear vinyl that has like glitter in it, but it's actually kind of soft. You can squeeze it. The wings are soft. You can squeeze them, the body. And this is the figures, like with the light shining through them. And it's the same with Mothra here, without the light shining through it, and that's with the light shining through it. The head can turn 360 degrees, and the little front legs can go back and forth. Like that. Actually, the head doesn't turn on mine. The body is somewhat see-through also. You hold that up to the light, it's kind of like a smoky gray body. And the head and the wings are blue. There you have it.